Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bersama my name is Syaifah Fazi binti Abdul Rahim. My metric number is 276830. As you can see on the screen, our presentation is about strategic audit of FGV Holding Berhad. We started our presentation with breakdown of company. Felda Global Ventures Holding Berhad was a Malaysian multinational agribusiness company. It was one of the world's largest producers of crop palm oil and palm oil related products. The company was originally established in 2007 as Felda Global Ventures Holdings Berhad and later became a public listed company on the Bursa Malaysia in 2012. For the mission of company, delivering sustainable foods and agri-product to the world. And the mission are establish an integrated value chain business ecosystem, the embodiment of governance and compliance, and the lastly is cultivating diversification in products and geographies. We move to product and services. FGV Holding Berhad was involved in various aspects of the palm oil industry and offered the range of products and services related to cultivation, processing, and trading of palm oil and other agriculture commodities. This is a product and services that offer to customers such as oil palm cultivation, palm oil production, downstream processing, trending and marketing, and lastly, agriculture commodities.
So now I will present about the issue faced by FGV Holdings. The first one is the forced labor and human rights. FGV Holdings is banned from importing to United States because of the evidence of forced labor, including harassment and threats, physical and sexual abuse of the weak, and also the retention of identity document. The second issue is labor shortage, especially during COVID-19, which caused Malaysia's palm oil industry to fall short of the 120,000 foreign labor required to be responsible for tree and fruit bunch harvesting. The third issue is FGV Holdings is heavily in debt, which is reported by New Straits Times. And the fourth issue is new standard and regulation issues, which the compliance of this new regulation may require full contribution for the company and also require huge financial amount. And the last issue is higher operating costs faced by FGV Holdings because of challenging first quarter of financial year 2023, which analysts attribute this decline to higher operating costs and reduced contributions from joint ventures.
I will explain internal analysis for Felda Global Venture FGV Holding Berhad. Firstly, strength. FGV is one of the world's largest producer of crude palm oil. FGV has a high margin in palm oil industry. FGV has a strong brand recognition in palm oil industry. FGV is a leader in sustainable agriculture. Next weakness. FGV has a high operational expenses. FGV turnover of workers at lower level. FGV has a high cost of building a new supply chain and logistic network. FGV in niche market and local monopolies. Next, opportunity. Trend of customer migrating to higher end product. Higher end level of entry for new company. FGV increasing customer base in lower segment. FGV engaging in digitalization and technology advancement. Lastly, trade. US-China trade war, distrust of institution and increasing threat of legal action for FGV, saturation in urban market and stagnation in rural market.
Next, I'm going to explain about the TOS analysis. So first one, we have strength, opportunity, strategy. Since palm oil is the most important crop in the nation, robots or drone, AI, and digitalization should be the focus of Malaysian R&D. And with this technology, we will parallel with our strength as a leader in sustainability agriculture and follow our opportunity of FGV engaging in digitalization and technology advancement. Second, we have witness opportunity strategy. A new strategy issued by the Malaysian government would restrict the growth of palm oil plantation. So as our witness a niche market, FGV granted this as opportunity due to our government focusing on our company throughout this field. So the third one is strength and threat strategy. FGV CEO said intensifying trade war between the United States and China, increasing demand due to the recent B30 and B10 mandates in Malaysia. So the threat of US-China trade wars give us the strength of increasing in demand. And the last strategy is witness and threat. World Trade Organization (WTO) laid out a restriction on the biofuel derived from the palm oil. The restriction on the rule of WTO put pressure on our international trade. So this forced us to engage in discussing to resolve any of these issues.
For recommendation, FGV can implement a functional level strategy, which are financial restructuring and debt management. The first one is renegotiation debt agreement, which are engaged lender to secure favorable terms. For example, extend repayment periods, reduce interest rates, and restructure the loans. The second one is release capital to the strategic asset management, which are identify underperforming or non-strategic asset for divestment without impacting core operation. FGV can implement a sale and leaseback agreement for non-essential asset for immediate cash flow. Lastly, enhancing financial control by strengthening the audit protocol, internal monitoring, and financial reporting to prevent fraud and mismanagement. The second recommendation are operations level strategy, which is utilize existing workforce effectively by first emphasis on cross training and skill development rather than force switch job responsibility. Second, rotation programs for understanding complex tasks and better decision making. Third, motivation through the rewards and recognition. Lastly, diligently design the timetable to sustain the performance and prevent burnout.